Hello everyone, welcome to another Go High Level video. Now in this video, I will show you how to automate your social media DM responses. So whether you are on Facebook, Instagram, or whatever social media you're using that has a DM feature, within this tutorial, I will show you exactly how you can automate your social media DMs. It's going to be really easy. For this, you will need GoHighLevel. GoHighLevel is the software that I'm using right now. Basically, you can get a 30-day free trial down below if you want to try this software out for yourself. Now, let's get started. So first of all, obviously, once you're in GoHighLevel, you will need to switch to a sub account. So whether you're doing this for yourself or for someone else, you can create a sub account for yourself or for someone else. You just go to the sub account and then you create a new sub account. From there, you basically go to the sub account where you want to automate your social media DM responses. We can ignore this, and basically we want to go to automation. So automation section within GoHighLevel allows you to do a lot of different things, such as when someone answers or when someone comments, you can DM them, right? So that's what we want to do. We want to automate our social media DM responses. So obviously we can go here, create workflow. We can select a recipe. So we already have a recipe here, which is really awesome. So as you can see, we have Instagram comment automation. So we can use this recipe to automate the DM replies to comments on Instagram. Now you can do this. You can also play around with this as well. You also have the same for Facebook. If we go right here, we can see Facebook comment automation. And how this works, if we select here this, let me just show you how this automation works. So obviously, if you're new to automations, this will look like a very messy thing to you. However, it's not messy, it's completely fine. So as you can see, the trigger is whenever someone comments on an Instagram post, this is a trigger. So as you can see, the trigger is obviously the page is, and you need to select the page. For this, you will need to integrate your page. I will show you in a second how to integrate your page, your Instagram. However, here you'll just need to select your page. And as you can see, you'll track first level comments only. So if toggled on, we'll consider only the first level comments. Else, we will consider all the nested comments as well. This feature will not work on Facebook or for Facebook groups. So you just save the trigger here. Once you save it, obviously we cannot save it because we don't have, so we'll just exit out. We don't have Instagram, which I will show you how to integrate. Now here, as you can see, respond to a comment. So you can add as many responses as you want. If you just want, you can just, enter like whenever someone comments, just send them a DM. You can do that as well. However, for this, you can just go and add a new response here. So whenever someone comments, you will respond, or your bot, AI bot will respond, hey, check your DM. Thanks for sharing your interest. And it will randomize the responses. So it will not be, this response all the time. It will also be this one. And then you can add new responses here if you want as well. Now, after we have that, we have Instagram Interactive Messenger. So obviously here, as you can see, this is what you're going to reply to comment via DM. So whoever comments, you will reply this right here within their DMs. So you can basically go here and say, hey, I'm excited that you want to start your personal finance journey. Whatever niche you're in, you can just adjust this to your own likings. You can also enter a link here. So you have a trigger link if you already set up a trigger link, or you can just go to custom values and add a custom value. However, if you're just giving away something for free, you can just put a link to that right here. Now from there, you just save the action. And as you can see, obviously from there, you either have get a checklist. So if like you want to send them like a checklist, you can send them a checklist right here. But yeah, that's basically it. And then here the automation ends. So obviously you can play around with this automation. You can also trigger when there is a comment on a post, just immediately send a message, right? You can do that as well, like, and that would be Instagram Interactive Messenger. So maybe you can delete this, right? You can delete the action, and then, whenever there is a comment on a post on your Instagram page, there will be like automatic DMs happening. You can also delete this as well. This can be like the end, and that's it, right? So you can do that. Like, it's pretty simple how you're going to do that. Now, how can you actually connect Instagram? So let me just go back here. If you go to settings, if you go to integrations, here you'll be able to connect your Facebook and Instagram account. So just go connect it, and then next time you want to go into automation and you want to go into Instagram comment automation, and then just go here and you need to wait again, and then just go here and click here and then select your Instagram profile. So that's pretty much it on how you can automate your social media DM responses. You can do the same for Facebook. So for Facebook, if you go back, you go to automations, you create a new workflow, ignore this, select a recipe, and then just click on Facebook comment automation. It will be pretty much the same automation just with Facebook. So that's pretty much how to do it. Again, if you want to try this for yourself, definitely check out our 30-day free trial down below. And if you need any help with GoHighLevel, we can help you. You can schedule one-on-one paid consulting call with us. And yeah, we'll see you in the next video.